You better watch out, you better not cry. SantaCon is coming to town, as in the legendary one in Manhattan. On December 19th, Kingston will launch its own version in uptown bars and restaurants, all for area charities. And who will dress this horde of men and women in red? The answer, of course, is Columbia Costumes at 66 North Front Street.
Oh my, we have so many things here and it's so much fun. Of course, start with Santa Claus. You could rent them, you can buy them. We have the wig and beard sets. Over here we have probably 14 varieties of hat coverings. Anything from Kisseltoe to little spiral Mrs. Claus hats. I even have a dread Mr. Claus.
Of course, you can come dressed like some of Santa's chums from the North Pole, or you can cut loose and simply dream up your own Christmassy character.
This one here is fun because it's a cowboy type of hoedown Christmas.
Even Grinchy Clauses are welcome, but nice is the rule, especially after all that partying. In Kingston, I'm Paula Mitchell reporting.